Pipelining is a process of arrangement hardware elements of the CPU such that its overall performance is increased. Simultaneous execution of more than one instruction takes place in a pipeline processor. In pipelining system, each segment consists of an input register followed by a combinational circuit. The register is used to hold the data and combinational circuits perform operation on it. The output of combinational circuit is applied to input register of the next segment. Pipeline systems is like a modern-day assembly line setup of factories.
Assalamualaikum to everyone. My name is Nur Atika binti Syakri. I would like to explain about type of pipelining. There are 6 types of pipelining. The first one is arithmetic pipelining. It is designed to perform high-speed floating point addition, multiplication, and division. The second point is instruction pipelining. The number of instructions are pipelined and the execution of current instruction is overlapped by the execution of the subsequent instruction. The third one is processor pipelining. To process same data stream, the data stream is processed by first processor and the result is stored in the memory block. Result in the memory block accessed by the second processor and so on. The fourth one is unfunction versus multifunction pipelining. The pipeline performing the previous function every time is unfunction pipeline. Next point is static versus dynamic pipelining. The static pipeline performs a fixed function each time. Dynamic pipeline performs several functions. The last point is scalar versus vector pipelining. It is process the instruction with scalar operands. Thanks.
The advantage of pipelining. Number 1, the cycle time of processing is reduced, increasing the instruction throughput. Pipelining does reduce the time it takes to complete an instruction. Instead, it increases the number of instructions that can be processed simultaneously and reduces the delay between completed instructions. Number 2, if pipelining is used, the CPU arithmetic logic can be designed faster but will be more complex. Number 3, pipelining in theory increases performance over an pipelining code by a factor of the number of stages, and the code is ideal for pipeline execution. Number 4, pipelining CPUs generally work at higher clock frequency than the RAM clock frequency, increasing computers' overall performance.
Hello, I am Yasmin. I will explain about the lack of if using pipelining.
First, the major lack of that we can see if we using pipelining is it makes things complex.
2. Instruction latency increase in pipeline processor. 3. The throughput of a pipeline processor is difficult to predict. Last, the longer the pipeline was the problem of hazard for the branch instruction. That's all. Thank you.
So I would like to present about 5 stages of RISC pipeline with their respective operation. So in the stage 1 is about instruction fetch. In this stage, the CPU is read all the instruction from the address in the memory whose value is present in the program counter. So the next stage is instruction decode. In this stage, that we must know that instruction is decoded and the register file is accessed to get the value from the register that use the instruction. Stage 3 is about instruction execute. In the instruction execute, is all about ALU operation are performed. So based what we learned, ALU is mean arithmetic logic unit. It's about combination digital circuit that perform arithmetic and operation in integer binary number. stage 4 is about memory access. As we can see, in this stage, memory are operands read and written from or to the memory that is present in the instruction. So in the stage 5 is about write back. So in this stage, we can compute fetch value is written back to the register present in the instruction.